Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our awesome reviews and product recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of VR accessories with the Quest 3 Vision Pro Pico 4 Lens Cleaning Pen Brush. Keeping your VR headset clean is essential for maintaining the best visual experience, and this cleaning pen is the perfect tool for the job. The double-ended brush design is what sets this cleaning pen apart. One end features a soft material for removing dust, while the other end has a carbon brush specifically designed for cleaning fingerprints. With just a few simple swipes, you can keep your lens looking crystal clear and free from any smudges or marks. Not only is this cleaning pen effective, but it's also incredibly versatile. It's compatible with a wide range of VR headsets including Quest 2, Rift S, HTC Vive, Cosmos, Valve Index, and even PS4 VR headsets. It's also suitable for use with cameras, optics, and other camera lenses, making it a must-have accessory for any VR enthusiast or photography enthusiast. Using the Quest 3 Vision Pro Pico 4 Lens Cleaning Pen Brush is a breeze. Simply use the dust removal tool to brush off any loose particles, then choose the appropriate end of the cleaning pen to tackle any fingerprints or smudges. Finish off by wiping the lens with a soft cloth, and you're good to go. With the Quest 3 Vision Pro Pico 4 Lens Cleaning Pen Brush, you can say goodbye to blurry visuals and hello to a crystal clear VR experience. Plus, with its compact and portable design, you can easily take it with you wherever you go, ensuring that your VR headset always looks its best. So if you're ready to take your VR experience to the next level, be sure to check out the Quest 3 Vision Pro Pico 4 Lens Cleaning Pen Brush. You can find the link to purchase this amazing product in the description below. Trust me, once you start using this cleaning pen, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. That's all for today's review, but be sure to stay tuned for more awesome content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.